Hi everyone, I'm Jeff Teague with Fred Anderson Toyota in Raleigh, North Carolina. I'm excited to tell you about a brand new service that we offer that's going to save you time and energy and certainly convenience. I'm here with our Fred Anderson Toyota mobile tire team on location in Zebulon, and we're going to be changing 4 tires on a person's truck right in his driveway.
Good friend of mine told me about the new mobile tire service from Fred Anderson, and he knew that I needed a set of tires, so I decided to give it a try. And it seemed like a really convenient option, not having to go to the dealership and have them come out to the house, and it's proven to be that. It's very convenient.
So what we do, we come out, we replace 4 tires at your earliest convenience at work, whether you're at the park with your kids, anywhere you may be. Our goal is to make it as most convenient for you.
Imagine the benefits to you. You're working from home. You can't spare time today to go to a dealership to get your tires changed. Why not have them come to you? Imagine you're a parent who's got small kids at home. It's not convenient and it's a little tough to bring the little ones to the dealership while you wait to get your tire serviced. Have them come to you. Imagine you're working, you've got a business meeting today, but yet you still have that appointment to get your tires changed. Well, have them come to your work. It's convenient and the service is done while you're still at home, while you're still at work, while you're working, while you're doing normal daily activities. You're just not at the dealership. Tremendous convenience that Fred Anderson Toyota mobile tire team offers you.
The time it typically takes is about an hour at the absolute most, and usually it takes around 45 minutes.
It's no time commitment. You don't have to take time off work. You don't have to drive to the dealership. They just come right out and you get to pick your time. And so it's super convenient. In fact, now that they're done with my truck, I'm going to set up an appointment for my wife's car. From the time that I set up the appointment on the website, the team gave me a call and confirmed, and I confirmed the time of the appointment and the location. And then, they gave me a text on the way out, and then when I got here, very, very professional, required really nothing of me at all. I would highly recommend the service to anybody needing a set of tires.
There you have it. We'd love to work with you too. Please go to fredandersontoyota.com. You'll be able to enter your car's information and schedule your next mobile tire service. We look forward to seeing you at home, at work. We'll see you next time.